Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This is a red exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Four-matic, Mercedes-Benz and GLS 450 badging. Power open and closing trunk. Rear seats. Power folding up. And third row. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Driver seat controls. Driver door controls. Driver seat. This vehicle has 54,232 for miles. Push button ignition. Radio and navigation system. And a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.